Hello, hello all. So, another video today. We're gonna find out what's in a pufferfish. I've never actually been curious about this, but now I am. Let's see what's in a pufferfish.
This is a puffer.
Doesn't look real. But I guess it is. Huh.
Pufferfish. I've always wondered what's inside a pufferfish.
Blood and guts.
And what are pufferfish spines? I thought they were
Oh, it pops out the skin. It looks like an alien creature.
bones, like ribs, because ribs can grow in weird ways. Like turtle ribs grow very wide.
Oh, that's their ribs? The shell is their ribs? Or is that something different? Is the shell a separate thing?
And fuse together to form the turtle's shell.
Okay, so it is the shell. Huh. I never knew that. The shell is their ribs.
So I thought maybe these spines are the pufferfish's ribs. But I was wrong. Pufferfish spines aren't bones at all.
Okay, some of it is retracted, and some of it is pop all the way out.
Because take a look at this piranha. Right here. This is what ribs look like on a normal fish. Notice how
It's not pointy. Okay.
they're attached to the vertebrae. Now let's look at a pufferfish skeleton. Huh.
Okay, so that's not the ribs. That's just... Okay, that's just a bone.
There's some preserved skin draped over it. Let's try to pick it up. It's not attached to the rest of the skeleton.
Holy shit.
And if I rotate it backwards, there are a bunch of spines layered on top of each other.
What
See
the...
how they're
It's not attached to the skeleton. That's some...
attached
Wow.
to the skin? They're not like the ribs on normal fish. They're not attached to the vertebrae at all. So if they're not ribs, then what are they? Well, take a look at this silvery fish. You see how it's covered in scales?
Yeah.
Now imagine if this scale grew very long
Yeah, so
and
it's scales.
pointy.
Why didn't you just say that?
You'd get something
Why are they making this so ridiculous?
that looks like this. Pufferfish spines aren't bones at all. They're super modified fish scales.
Super modified. What the hell? Alright. It's the next video. But that was curious. Insane. A waste of time. I am very disappointed. Anyways, until next time.